welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and this is my second video. So first video में मैंने आपको दिखाया था जितने भी products मैंने home center से लिए थे, जितने भी kitchen essentials लिए थे. And today I welcome you to my kitchen and also I will show you what all products and how I am utilizing those products nicely in my kitchen. So ताकि आप भी अपनी किचन से जितना हो प्लास्टिक को हटाएं एंड ग्लास एंड स्टील को यूज़ करें. सो प्लीज़ वॉच दिस टिल द एंड एंड आई एम वेरी होपफुल यू वुड फाइंड दिस वेरी यूज़फुल. सो फर्स्ट इज़ जो हम रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं टी एंड शुगर, राइट. दिन की शुरुआत तो चाय के साथ ही होती है. सो दिस जार वॉज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम होम सेंटर, पर इसका एक जोड़ीदार टूट गया. It's been very long, so I thought of replacing this. This is also in glass. So most of the products in my kitchen are glass, but जो नहीं थे उनको भी मैंने replace कर दिया. So this goes in the new jar that I had purchased. Tea. So this is the tea jar. So I'm going to shift all of this content here. So let's see how much this fits. Wow. ये इसमें सारा ही आ गया. If you see, it has so nicely filled up the jar and it's looking so beautiful, right? And conveniently आप इसको so easily इसको close कर सकते हैं. There you go. Wow, it looks so pretty and aesthetic, right? So my tea jar is already ready. Next goes sugar. So this was a Country Delight ghee jar that I have been utilizing from past 1 year as my sugar jar, and I recently invested and got that changed and got a three in set. So this is the second jar from the set of 3 sugar. So I'll be putting all the sugar that's here in this. So you can see it's quite a generous quantity, अच्छी खासी quantity है इसमें. So इसको हम इसमें शिफ्ट करेंगे एंड टू माई सरप्राइज दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट फिटिंग अप एवरीथिंग. बॉटम में वाह, सो ब्यूटीफुल. ऑलमोस्ट सारी शुगर जो इस बॉटल में थी वो अब इसमें आ गई है एंड इट्स लुक्स सो अमेजिंग. I'll close this lid also. Wow. So sugar and tea, right? I got a third jar also. There you go. This is coffee, but I'm not much of a coffee person and मेरे बच्चे they are small, so I don't use sugar for them. I use khand for them. तो this container, इस कंटेनर में मैं ये खांड शिफ्ट कर दूँगी, जिसके लिए अभी तक मेरे पास कोई कंटेनर नहीं था. सो आई वॉज यूजिंग द ओरिजिनल कंटेनर जिसमें खांड आई थी, विच इज़ इन प्लास्टिक. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड कि आज मैंने इसको आप सभी के साथ रिप्लेस कर दिया है इस ग्लास जार में. Here you go. So all my 3 containers are ready. Sugar, coffee and tea, right? ये देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे tea, sugar and coffee. Okay. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ये जो भी सूखे मसाले होते हैं जैसे ब्लैक पेपर हो गया, मेथी दाना हो गया, अजवाइन हो गया, फॉर दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव परचेज दीज स्वीट स्पाइस जार्स जो आप देख सकते हो. वेरी नाइस, राइट. इसको मैं फिल कर दूंगी इनसे. आई हैव टेकन 12 ऑफ दीज एंड आई थिंक इतना इनफ होंगे, राइट. See how beautiful it is looking. filled, and इसको आप इस तरीके से भी stand कर सकते हैं अपने kitchen में, and you can keep it horizontal as well. So very nice, very sturdy, very pretty, and it is clear, so you can easily check. And chit से लिखने वाला, now that thing will be gone. It's not required to keep it like that. So that's nice. Also for these things like macaroni हो गया आपका, या you want to keep some ration का दाल and छोले and rajma, for these I have these bigger jars. These are also from home center, and ये मेरे पास बहुत टाइम पहले से थे, so I have not invested them as of now, but these are there with me from a very long time. 4 to 5 years हो गए मुझे ये वाले jars में invest किए हुए. So these are very good. इसमें easily I pile up my dal, pulses, and macaroni, jave, whatever you want to keep in it. और इसमें बहुत ही अच्छे रहते हैं and बहुत अच्छी quantity इसमें आ जाती है. So इसमें भी कई सारे sizes available हैं home center में. I picked up the largest because you never know, sometimes कभी ज़्यादा हो जाता है, कभी कम, so it takes care of all those needs. Also, I used to save my spices in this original jars that come, and in market you generally get most of the spices in plastic, which is not so healthy for our body. So for example, this is a chole masala. Now I can easily fit them into one of these jars, so that problem will be solved away. And you see, a good generous quantity gets filled, very easy to operate, right? इसको आपने ऐसे बंद कर दिया, and here you go your छोले का मसाला, right? And I have lots, so अजवाइन में भी something that we regular consume करते हैं, so उसको हम बहुत easily इन jars में अच्छी तरीके से, beautiful तरीके से, aesthetically store कर सकते हैं, clean and clear, okay? And apart from that, I have been using this chopping board from a 1.5 years, and आप इसकी हालत देख सकते हो. This is plastic, right? And sometimes we end up buying things thinking that they'll go a long way, and paying a little bit lesser attention on the health perspective. So it was one of those things, but मैंने अपनी इस गलती को भी सुधारा है by getting this chopping board, which is in bamboo. It is very light, very sturdy, and from today onwards I've started using this for all my chopping and cutting. So that's one thing. And also I have replaced all my plastic bottles with these glass water bottles, again from home center, and the quantity that fits in is 1 liter. So very good, very aesthetic, and very useful. I am sure it will बहुत लंबा टाइम तक चलते हैं होम सेंटर के प्रोडक्ट्स. सो इफ़ यू आर वन ऑफ thinkers like me who want to make their kitchen more extra special and extra healthy, so please, you can always take these jars, and I hope this video will help in making your lives better and make the right choices for your beautiful kitchen. Thank you so much. Please keep watching my videos. This is my second video. Please support. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.